Hello and welcome back to my channel. Just a short little licorice update. So you can see that the licorice aurea is now flowering, even though we had a mild frost this morning. So you can see that this plant has much bigger flowers than the licorice radiata and taller stems. The leaves are also much wider on this plant, like double or triple the size of radiata. So this is a lovely plant. It flowers at the mid and late October in Hungary, and it's also not completely hardy, so I'm going to keep them at a mildly frosting area when they are finished flowering. So just that would be all. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.